Before showing you how to change the line type here, I'm going to put in the cabinets and take advantage of the fact that we do have the overhead cabinets here also with dashed lines. And we're also going to put in the counter space right now. So I'm going to select offset, and the distance first will be 24 inches. This is for the countertops. Offsetting out and offsetting here, right click, and I do want them on the correct layer, so why don't I go ahead and first of all make that the current layer. And even if it had originally been the current layer right now, remember when you offset lines, they remain on the layer that they currently existed upon. So if it exists on the wall layer, it gets offsetted not to the current layer but back to that wall layer. Next, I'm going to do a fillet command. So I'm going to select fillet. Radius is 0, that's correct. So I'm going to select this object and then this object. Now I can go ahead and grip the two lines. Go to my layers, select a fix. Again, that's short for architectural fixtures. Tap the escape key. And now I'm going to offset 12 inches for the overhead cabinets. Above and to the left. Right click. Select fillet again. Select the two lines, 1, 2. Looking at the sketch, I understand that it will be terminated or trimmed between the window location, and also that the countertops and the cabinets end to make room for the refrigerator, and that's a 3-foot space. So let me fix that. I'm going to, instead of copy, I'm going to select offset. Rather popular command, 36 inches. Selecting it, going to my left, and then right click. And what I can select now is change to current layer, and I'd like this line on the current layer, so I pick it and I right click and automatically taken care of. Now I'm going to select trim, and I'll do an implied crossing window, again going from right to left. No more objects to select for cutting edges, so I now right click, object to trim, and I pick the line segments 1, 2, 3, and right click and enter. Everything is looking very good so far, and as you can see, we can draw, we can make changes, we can make modifications whenever necessary. There's no need to try and get it right the first time, and it appears that sometimes we have to try different methods, and sometimes we have to go through the trial and error process in order to understand how everything works. And it actually gives us a better feeling, a better satisfaction of having tried it several times and having mastered that process. At times it can seem a little frustrating, I understand that, but the more practice you put into these drawings, the easier everything becomes.